Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, definition and concept of interest. Interest is a fee charged by a lender to a borrower for the use of money. It is usually expressed as a percentage of the loan amount and is paid over a specified period of time. John Maynard Keynes, a famous economist, defined interest as the reward for waiting. He believed that interest is a compensation for deferring consumption and for foregoing the opportunity to use money for immediate consumption. Keynes also believed that interest rates are influenced by expectations about the future and that changes in interest rates can have an impact on investment and economic activity. According to Keynesian economics, changes in interest rates can be used to stimulate or slow down economic growth. There are several different types of interest. First one is simple interest. This is a fixed rate of interest that is charged on the principal amount of a loan and does not take into account the compounding of interest over time. Second one is compound interest. This is a type of interest where the interest earned on a loan is added to the principal and becomes part of the new balance. The interest charged on the loan is then calculated on the new high balance, leading to exponential growth over time. Third one is nominal interest. This is the interest rate stated on a loan without taking into account the impact of inflation. Fourth one is a real interest. This is the interest rate that takes into account that impact of inflation. Expressing the interest rate in terms of its purchasing power. Fifth one is fixed interest. This is an interest rate that remains constant over the term of a loan. Sixth one is floating interest. This is an interest rate that changes in response to market conditions and is not fixed for the term of a loan. 7 is guaranteed interest. This is an interest rate that is guaranteed by the lender regardless of changes in market conditions. 8 one is variable interest. This is an interest rate that is subject to change based on a specified formula or benchmark such as an index or a prime rate